Gauri Achar. Nowadays, COVID is widely spreading out and it's showing severe effects on common people, especially in India. Its symptoms is very dangerous. So here I am explaining about PPE kit. PPE kit means personal protective equipment. Let us know usage, functions and advantages of this PPE kit now. Come, let's get started. So here I am explaining all the equipments that can be used to avoid COVID or care for COVID. First is PPE kit, second infrared thermometer, third is sheet mask or face covering mask, at last sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Now first let us know about PPE kit. Personal protective equipment or the PPE kit is an important safeguarding gear worn to help shield yourself from infection or virus that can be transmitted. The protective equipment consists of garments and the other essentials that protects your skin from being exposed. It is worn mostly by paramedical staff, healthcare workers, people taking care of infected people or any other person in need to protect themselves against infectious materials. The PPE kit is UV sterilized while packing and is available in packs of 1 kit, 10 kits in 100 kits. Each PPE kit includes a bodysuit gown, then pair of gloves, three-ply mask, head cover, shoe cover, and last eye covering goggle. These are all the equipments will be there inside the PPE kit. Next is hand sanitizer. To prevent the spread of germs including COVID-19, CDC recommends washing hands with soap and water whenever possible because it reduces the amount of many types of germs and chemicals on hands. But if soap and water are not readily available, using hand sanitizer with at least 60% of alcohol can help you avoid getting sick and spreading of germs from others. Next is face shield mask or face covering mask. Here I am showing you how to fix the shield into the headgear and how to fix the elastic band into the headgear. Follow the same steps. Remove the wrapper, stick on the shield, then adjust with the headgear, at last fix the elastic band. A face shield is an item of personal protective equipment, aims to protect the wearer's entire face from hazards such as flying objects and road dusts, chemical splashes, or potentially infectious materials. Now fixing is over. Attach the elastic band into the edges of headgear. Now it's ready. This is the look after wearing this. Next equipment is infrared thermometer. It is a thermometer which infers temperature from a portion of the thermal radiation, sometimes called black body radiation, emitted by the object being measured. They are sometimes called laser thermometers, as a laser is used to help aim the thermometer, or non-contact thermometers or temperature gun. to describe the device's ability to measure temperature from a distance. By knowing the amount of infrared energy emitted by the object and its emissivity, the object's temperature can often be determined within a certain range of its actual temperature. Now let us check what's there inside the box. There is an infrared thermometer and an instruction manual and set of battery cells. You can read all the details about this infrared thermometer from the instruction manual. Now let us see how to use this. It is a screen that shows measurement and they have given battery cells. Take the cells and insert inside the gun here. If you pull to the front side, the cap will open. Insert the cells, one is positive and another is negative. Gun will automatically turn on. You can see it's visible now. There are 3 buttons on this. One is memory, this is mode, and this one is Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can convert them into Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now let's check the temperature. See, it's showing the temperature. You can also find surface temperature also. It is better to have our own thermometer, infrared thermometer in our home. When guests keep on coming to our home, we can check them easily. They are COVID free or not. It shows whether they have fever or not. It's helpful to have one in our home. Now let us know how to use the PPE kit. Very first, sanitize your hands thoroughly. Rub the hands neatly. Take the bodysuit gown and wear it on. It is a surgeon's gown made from non-woven fabric. The gown is impermeable, which means it does not let any fluid etc. to pass through it. This full-length gown has attached shoe covers and features full sleeves with elastic cuffs for extra safety. It also free size and disposable. Tie a knot with the lace. Next, three-ply mask. Wear the mask properly on your nose, that should cover the mouth as well. Once ensure after wearing the mask it's covering properly the nose and the mouth. And now eye covering goggles. Safety goggles are made of polycarbonate, which is a popular lens material for safety eyewear. Safety goggles or safety glasses are types of protective eyewear that encloses the area surrounding the eye and protects it from infectious material, water or hazardous chemicals. Then hand gloves. These nitrile surgical gloves are powder free and easy to wear. They are also sterile, making them safe to use. These gloves should not be used more than once and should be disposed of properly after use. Stuck the gloves with the elastic band that given in gowns sleeves. Next is shoe cover. Shoe covers help keep sensitive environments free of outside contaminants like germs, dirt, organic matter like leaves or twigs, and the lint. This PPE helps workers maintain environmental integrity in places like hospitals, health clinics, and clean rooms that protect footwear from being stained by chemicals or paint. Last, head cover. Wear head covers to protect the hair and scalp from possible contamination when sprays or airborne exposure is anticipated. Now it's done. Now let us know how to remove the PPE. Very first, remove the head cover properly. From behind of the head. Remove the full body suit and dispose of safely. Eye goggles should also be removed from the backside of the head, as well the mask. Remove the gloves inside out and dispose of safely. At last, remove the shoes worn inside the bodysuit. Remove them without touching them with your hands. Place them directly in a container with disinfectant. Perform hand hygiene after each step. Guys, really I felt hectic to wear this PPE kit just for video shoot. Our doctors will wear whole day and night just to bring normal life. A great salute for them, all the corona warriors. Big thanks to them. Guys, COVID is very dangerous. Don't neglect it. Stay home, stay safe. Don't come out of the house unnecessarily. If there is any serious requirement, then only come out of the house. It saves many lives. People who neglect it, they lost their lives. That's why I'm saying you take it serious manner. And I hope you guys all found this video very helpful. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Links will be there in the description box. Please check it out. And also subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you will get all kind of notifications from my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting video, guys. Until that video, take care. Bye-bye. Good day.